So I just got back from Target and I got 2 TXT albums. So I'm gonna unbox them. And then this is my Funko bag package for BTS's. I forgot what the name of the collection is, but it's with the bag and purse. So I got the whole collection. Let's get started with this. So this was the only version they had by the time I was able to go. And it was like the last one on the shelf. Really? Let's start with this one because this is like the member version. I only bought one because I feel like for the concert, they do like the lucky draw thing with this album. I got Subin and Taehyun. He looks so good. Okay, so I got Taehyun's album. Really, I pull Taehyun a lot. And ooh, oh, this album comes apart. Where is this? Oh no, this is the poster. I was about to screenshot. Okay, this is the poster. This is definitely going up on my wall. Oh, I had it upside down. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I like that. I can't believe I pulled Subin. Usually, it took me a while to get Subin. Okay, so I'm glad I got that one. Oh my goodness. Like, this is so good. So, like, when this album came out, I was going to an Enhypen concert, so I didn't really have time to enjoy it, like, really enjoy it. So I'm glad I can have the albums now. Okay, it came with these stickers, and then I'll insert like a close-up of the photo book. TXT's concepts are always so good. It's like they get better each time. And I don't know the whole storyline for them because at first I was just a casual listener. Like when they debuted in 2019, I just casually listened to their music because their music's good. And then I would say around, well, during the pandemic, is when I really became a fan, and I've seen them like 5 times. Okay, so this is the next one, and this is Clarity, which I really love the concept for Clarity. Okay, so there's a way you're supposed to open this. You're supposed to like peel it on the sides. Oh my goodness, this pains me. Did I peel it or not? No. Okay, so 2 things. Ooh. This box was sitting outside, so there's an ant in it. Okay. Like, this really pains me to do. Like, what do you mean I gotta pull apart an album? And it looks like the stickers got messed up. But that's fine. Ooh. Oh, it says something. Tear yourself away from what's holding you back. Ooh. I might keep this. I feel like that's something good to keep in mind. Yeah, okay. That's amazing. Okay. So it comes with stickers. I wouldn't say any of them got messed up. Freefall. Okay, I got a postcard. And it's Taehyun's, of course. I wonder who I'm gonna get because I bought 3 signed albums, but they don't come until later. So I wonder if I'm gonna get Taehyun. I got Bumkyus. Usually I don't pull him at all. He's definitely my bias wrecker, especially after seeing him live. I love his voice so much. And like the way he dances. Okay, I didn't see anyone, but I think I definitely got Taehyun. I'll be with you every moment. Okay, next. Oh my goodness. Are these posters? As you can tell, I definitely did not look at all the inclusions. Okay, these 2 are the posters. You see, this is just so pretty. It's going up on my wall. Which is why I love the color brush. And then the filter they use makes it seem like this came out like in the early 2000s or around that time. Oh, this is the track list. Yeah, the lyrics. Really, this might go on my wall too. This is cool. And I'm not even sure if you guys can see everything, but I'll do close-ups of everything if I don't show it well. But right now, I just want to look at everything I got. Oh my goodness. Many posters. I got Hyun and Kai. I used to get Hyun and Kai a lot. Now I don't really. Okay, and then these. Really, I'm probably going to make a whole section, a little section for Freefall. Because these are a vibe. Okay, so you get one random poster, and I got Hyun and Kai. And then this is the group one. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's look at the photo cards. Well, actually, let me look at the photos first. Okay, this is the inside of it. I'm not sure how it should be, but yeah. Okay, now the photo cards. I'll start with this one. Oh, yeah. jump. I barely pull him. So that's so cool. Ooh. You see, Bumpkin is bias wrecking me so hard. Okay, so pretty much, I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of Bumpkin. I got Subin. I got Taehan. That's pretty good. Especially since I got it from the same store. So let's see what the CD looks like. And this is Clarity's CD. I guess I should hold it still. And this is Gravity. Oh, that's cool. Oh my. So for the Gravity ones, eventually I want to get all the members' photo cards. But I have a feeling that for their next tour, they'll have the lucky draws for Gravity for purchasing this version. So I'm going to wait until then. And hopefully I can get all their photo books and postcards and stuff. Okay. This is exciting. I think it's crazy that each member has 2 photo cards, but at least you get 2 photo cards in the album. So I don't think I'm going to collect any of that. Man, this is going on my wall. And this one. Okay. As you can tell, I'm excited. Of course, I listened to the album right when it released. Well, first I listened to the music video, which is a kind of distracting first listen. I love the music video. But of course I didn't really pay attention to like the lyrics all that much. So next is this package, which I didn't know was coming. So I wasn't expecting this, but My signed albums came today, so I'm just gonna unbox them. So this is the first one I bought, which is my favorite version of the album. And then I'm gonna try to keep the packaging intact without tearing anything. Because I might not keep the albums. So I saw on YouTube a lot of people were doing it like this. Okay, so that's the first one. And I'll just leave it flipped and open the rest. Okay, and this is the second one. Pretty sure I only ordered one. I need to look at my order for the first, because this is confused. Okay, for some reason I have 2 Clarity albums, but I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I only ordered one. Yeah, I only ordered one. Okay. Okay, but did I take this? I don't know if they messed up something, because one of the envelopes says reject, so maybe they didn't send me a signed one and then resent it. I don't know, but we'll treat it the same way and just do it like that. And I have 5 more coming, so. These in this. So my first order of signed album came today. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Taehyun. So this is my first Taehyun pull for the photo cards. Okay, but next, 3, 2, 1. Super. Okay, so far I don't have any dupes. So let's move on to this. Three, 2, 1. Ooh, Bumbu. And I don't have this card, so that means I finished the Bumbu set for Clarity. And then the last one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Yeonjun. And I don't think I have this one, so I think I also finished Yeonjun's set. Okay, next I'll do postcard. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Taehyun. So I have Bumbu, and then this is Taehyun's. I think the postcards are the same for all the albums, if I'm not mistaken. And for the next one, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Yeonjun. This is cool. Okay, now for the signed postcard. Let's start with this one. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Bumgyu! I'm so happy because Bumgyu's my bias wrecker. He bias wrecked me during the concerts that happened earlier this year. So it's nice to get so many of his photo cards and stuff. Okay, and then the next one. 3, 2, 1. It's another Bumgyu. That's so... Okay, so that's all. Well, there's also the posters inside, but I was trying to keep it closed, so I'll have to fish those out. But I'm having like a lot of Bumgyu luck, and I'm here for it, not gonna lie. So I am trying to collect all 5 members. So I ordered, let me see, I ordered technically 2 sets of the signed albums, but I got this extra one. So that's why I have 2 clarities. So first I had ordered 1 clarity, and then I ordered Reality and Melancholy? Melancholy. And then I ordered a full set recently, so yeah, we'll see. I think the rest of the first set gets shipped out Wednesday, and then I'll get it. So I'll just, when I come back, I'll have those albums and unbox them. But I think this is some really good pools. Hello. So, got another package of signed postcards. So let's open it. And this time it's all 3 versions. I don't know what happened to my other order, but it hasn't even shipped out yet, even though I made that order first. So let's see when I get that one. So the last time I just got Bumgyu's postcard. Let's see if I can get more members. Oh man, I kind of wanted to save this one. So for these, let's see, I have clarity already. So for the other ones, I'm going to open them all the way since I don't have those versions. So I'm just going to start with Reality. Yeah, because my Target only had clarity in stock. So I wasn't able to get the other ones yet. Okay, and then this. Oh, this thing was turned up. I got Subin. That's amazing. Okay, I got to start with this. Taeyeon. And it doesn't matter for the ones I don't have because I just found out the post, well, what do you call this? The little photo is different per version, so. Okay, and now cards. I got Subin and Yeonjun. I'm really not pulling any Hoon and Kai. That is crazy. I only pulled his poster. Next one. Actually, let's do, yeah, let's do clarity next. This one I won't open all the way. Okay, so I have Bumgear and Subin for the signed postcards. And I have 2 Bumgears, so I can trade for... Ooh, I was about to open it all the way. I already have this version, so I'm going to try to sell. Okay. Oh, photo card was literally coming out. Okay. Well, this time it's flipped the right way. Ooh, I'm missing a photo card. Probably the one that almost... Was the photo coming out? Oh. Oh no, it's all right here. Okay, start with the photo. I got Yeonjun. I'm pretty sure I already have him. Yeah, I think I got him a few days ago. Photo cards. Yeah, this is definitely a repeat album. Although, no, I don't have the Subin. But I definitely have Yeonjun's set already for clarity. But this is a new one. Okay, and signed. Bumgear again. Okay. Oh. Let's see who I got for the posters. So I'm probably gonna sell... I think it's Huninkai. I think I saw blonde hair. Oh no, it's Subin. I don't think I have Subin. So I'll keep that. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this, just so I know what I pulled out from it. Okay, and then this one is one I don't have, so I can open it. And this is the melancholy version. already saw who I got. Oh, it's all flipped the wrong way. Let me just... Okay, for photo cards, I got Yeonjun and Bumgyu. Wow, I'm really not getting Hyun and Kai. And then for this, I got Subin. But I got Hyun and Kai for signed. Okay, so that's 3 members that I have out of... I think that's pretty good because I have 2 extra Bumgyus. Maybe I can trade that for Yeonjun. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know. Or maybe, I don't know how I'll trade though. Look. It looks so good. Okay, so Bumgyu is definitely a magnet this comeback. So. Okay, so I just unboxed my signed albums, and now I'm just gonna do this view of the flip. And I know I probably don't have the cards with the right version, but really that doesn't matter. So I'll start with the posters. So I got Taehyun, and I believe this is Melancholy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Melancholy. Yeah. And then this Bumgyu, and this last one. Oh, this one's definitely Clarity. Yeah, I have so many Clarity versions. So this one's Reality. Okay. And then photo cards, Clarity version. I'm gonna flip them over at the same time. Okay, I got Yeonjun, which is a dupe, because I already have his set for Clarity. Oop. And then Subin. I don't have this one, so this completes my Subin set for Clarity. And then these, the other versions, I haven't unboxed them at all yet, so either way I won't have dupes. Okay, so for which version is this? Melancholy, I got Yeonjun and Bumgyu. Really, this comeback, Yeonjun and Bumgyu have been like the main ones, especially Bumgyu. Okay, and then for Reality version, I got Yeonjun and Subin. So I got Yeonjun for each version. And then for the postcard, Subin. And if I don't sound excited, that's because I already know who I have. I'm just doing it this way to see better. Ooh, Taehyun. Really? Hyun and Kai has not been showing up for me. Oh, and then Yeonjun. And this is Clarity. So it's a dupe. Yeah. Okay, and now for signed. Okay, this first one. Hyun and Kai. I'm actually really happy I got his version because I haven't even pulled his photo card yet, and I just pulled a poster for him. So I feel like he's avoiding me this comeback, and that makes me kind of sad. Okay. And then this next one, Subin. Now, Subin is my bias. He's been my bias since like the pandemic. Somewhere in the middle of the pandemic, I changed my bias from Hyun and Kai to Subin. So I'm really happy for that. He's the one I wanted to draw the most. Okay, and then another Bumgu. Like I said, he's been showing up a lot this comeback. So I'm probably either gonna sell or trade this one. And then that's it. Bye. Okay, the next time I come back, I'll be unboxing those last two albums and seeing who I get. And then I'll probably have to trade, I don't know, 2 members, and I have 3. And Bumgu really wants me to like change him from biased record to biased. And not gonna lie, I might be double biased in TXT, which has never happened before in a group, so we'll see how that goes. Hello, I got my last 2 signed albums. And this. I got Bumyu. And then for photo cards, I got Yunjin and Human Kai. I finally got Human Kai. Oops, Taehyun. Okay. And I'm just for sign. I got Taehyun. I don't have this sign with. That's exciting. Okay. So I'm gonna have to probably trade for Yeonjun. Okay. This one. I already know who I got, and I'm like, I already know who I got. Why did they put it in that way? Okay. Hi, so this is probably going to be the last part of the video. I got my other 2 signed albums, so we're just going to see what I got for the inclusions. So, okay. This is Melancholy, this is Reality, and we'll start over here. So for the random poster, I got Bumyu. And then for the postcard, another Bumyu. Like really, this comeback, I've been getting a lot of Bumyu inclusions, and I'm loving it. Okay, and now for the cards, I'll do one at a time. So this one, Yeonjun. I've been pulling his photo cards a lot. Like I have his full set for Clarity already, of course. And I got one of each for Melancholy and Reality, but I can't remember which ones I got, so I don't know if I completed the set. Okay, let me put him up here. And then the next one, 3, 2, 1. Hunan Kai. Okay, this comeback, I have not been getting Hunan Kai at all. So I'm really happy about this one. Because it's hard not to be like collect OT5. And I think that's because my main group is BTS and there's 7 members. So I don't know, 5 just seems like so little. Okay, and now for the signed. 3, 2, 1. Taehyun! Okay, after I got like 3 Bumgus, I was like, okay, I might not pull all the members, so I might have to trade. So, Taehyun, and then the only member I need is Yeonjun. Okay, so let's move this over a bit. Okay. And then start with the poster. This is Reality poster. Yeonjun. I think this is my second poster. That's Yeonjun. I think I have his Clarity version. Okay, and let's do this. That got a little damaged, but that's okay. And we got Taehyun. Like, look at that. Okay. And then the photo cards. We'll start with this one. Another Human Kai. Okay. now this comeback, I am happy because I pulled all the members for the cards at least once. So that's good. And then I'm not trying to collect the full set of everything, but I'm very close with Clarity. But I already know I'm not going to buy any more albums after this. Okay, and then next. Supin! And it's the one, oh, it's the one with the lip ring. Oh. Okay, and now, drum roll. Last signed postcard for this comeback. Well, for me. If I don't get Yeonjun, then I'll just try and trade Bumki for Yeonjun. We'll see how that goes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeonjun! Oh my goodness, that means I have the complete set now. Okay, it's not focusing right, but wow. I can't believe I pulled all the members. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of like speechless still. Like, wow. I read the Hangul. It wasn't covered, so I already know. Yeonjun. Oh, upside down. Oh, I got Yeonjun. That means I completed the full set. And yeah, I have like 3 of Bumgis. So I'll probably sell those. I'm like, that was really lucky because, yeah, I'm definitely going to order it how I did. If they do this again, I'm definitely going to order it the same way because I didn't do multiples of the same version at one time, so I guess that helped. I'm actually really happy. So that's all the unboxings of the signed albums that I bought. And yeah, I'm really happy that I don't have to trade because it's kind of hard to find trades. I mean, of course people trade with like the really popular people on social media, but it's hard to find like regular people to trade with. Unless it's like BTS. BTS is easy to find someone to trade with. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'm really happy. Now I need to figure out how I'm gonna display them. I definitely want to frame it. So I think I'm going to figure out how I want it all to look. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yay.